Hey guys, I will show you how to fix the lag problem on your laptop. So this is Windows 11 operating system and this solution is also applicable for Windows 10. So let's fix this issue together. You have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue quickly. So in the first step, you have to right click on the start icon and select run. You can also open these by pressing Windows key plus R key together to open run. So type here sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Once we are here, go to the advanced tab and select settings. Then make sure you have to select custom and uncheck these all options. As you can see on my screen, just follow my screen and then click on apply and then OK. After that, again open run and type here temp and click on OK. So you have to delete all the files and folders from the temp folder. Just delete them. Again you have to open run again and now type here %temp %. Again you have to select all these files and documents and everything. Just right click on it and click on delete. Now restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check the pin command, that will also help a lot to fix this issue. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.